Meantime, today, the attorney for Michelle Troconis wants the entire Stamford Norwalk State's Attorney's Office disqualified from her case and the future trial moved someplace else. This comes after prosecutors tried to remove him as her attorney. News 12 Connecticut's Marissa Alter reports from the Stamford courthouse.
Michelle Troconis made her first in-person court appearance here in about 2 years, and she didn't arrive alone. She showed up here surrounded by supporters, including family. Michelle Troconis' team came prepared to fight the state's attempt to get her attorney off the case.
We had intended to argue certain motions. They have been continued to November 29th. I just filed today a motion to disqualify the Stamford Norwalk State's Attorney's Office and the disqualification of the State Police Western District Major Crime Squad.
The brief court appearance came after prosecutors recently filed a motion saying they may call Schoenhorn as a witness to testify at his client's trial, which creates a conflict of interest. Troconis faces charges including conspiracy to commit murder in the disappearance of Jennifer Dulos. At issue is how Schoenhorn obtained a box of potential evidence with a sweatshirt that may be connected to Jennifer Dulos' presumed death by her estranged husband, Fotis Dulos. He was Troconis' boyfriend at the time and committed suicide while awaiting trial for murder.
The motion to disqualify that was filed against me last week was based on a clearly attorney-client privileged statement that was given to an attorney. The state police took that statement, photographed it, made use of it, and that is the sole basis for the motion to disqualify me.
The alleged violation relates to a note from Schoenhorn to that third-party attorney he used to get the sweatshirt to detectives on the case. They found it inside the box. The sweatshirt resembles one worn by a cyclist. The state says was Fotis Dulos, near Jennifer Dulos' house the morning she was killed. Schoenhorn said DNA testing on the sweatshirt didn't come back to Fotis Dulos, and he may use that to defend Troconis. Schoenhorn also said in court that a substantial amount of electronic discovery either hasn't been turned over or is in a format that the defense can't access. He's asking a judge not to allow any of that to be used at trial. In Stamford, Marissa Alter, News 12 Connecticut.
And Troconis' attorney also says he's prepared a motion for a speedy trial, but will file it after the judge rules on those pending motions. Nick?